This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So very simple tutorial, guys. If your phone is convert to another language or mistakenly you hit a language option and you don't know how to change, you can follow this one. You have to go to all the things inside your phone. Here you have to find this, it's called setting. In this moment this is in Spanish, so check the logo. You have to find exactly this logo, setting, go inside. You have to come to this option. You can see administration general or administration general. Check the icon here, exactly this icon, go inside. Here at the top you see idiomas or language in different languages. So you have to go inside to this option. In there you see is only Spanish in this. I don't have another language. So if you want to add your language, it could be Russian, German, Portuguese, whatever. You have to hit this one and decide and find your language. In this case I'm searching here English. Here they ask me Australian, Canadian, Indian, Ireland. So I here put United Kingdom or United States. Here at the bottom, permanent, I think I hit there. So English is the first language of this phone. Now I go back or I go inside. Now everything is in English. You can see setting here, everything is English. So this is the way you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.